Do not shout it out the answer. I'm already did you a favor by going over the test. Ready?
Yes.
First and foremost, there will be 3 diagrams. 1, 2, 3. Pork, veal, and lamb. I already told you it's on the test, right? When I hand it out.
Yes, sir.
It doesn't take a magic to figure it out. You got it?
Yes, sir.
That's approximately 40 questions right there. And they all worth 1 point. Pork, lamb, and veal. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What are the quality grade of pork? A, 1, 2, 3, 4, utility. B, A, B, C. C, prime choice select. D, standard, good, and okay. Next, what are the major primal of pork? A, ham. B, picnic ham. C, Boston butt. D, loin. E, all the above. Next, what are the types of ribs in pork? What are the types of ribs in pork? Spare rib,
I'm ready.
singlest rib,
That's fine.
baby back rib, all the above. Next, what are the major primal of veal? A, shoulder, loin, rib, leg, all the above. Next, what are the quality grade of veal? A, 1, 2, 3, 4. B, A, B, C. C, prime choice good, standard. D, standard, good, and okay. Next, I'll write in. What are the 5 types of force meat? 5 types. A, B, C, D, E. Those are 5 points. Each one, they're my individual point. 5, fill in. A, B, C, D, E. 5 types of force meat. Next, what is a panada? What is a panada? Definition. Next, what is an example of 543? Example of 543. Next, what does 5 represent? 5. What does 5 represent on 543? What does 4 represent on 543? And what does 3 represent on 543? There are 3 points questions, 1 point each. Next, what is an example of straight style force meat? Straight style force meat, example. What is example? Just write down 1, there's 3. Write down 1. Next, what are the 4 main components of sausage? 4 main components of sausage, there are 6. What are 4 out of 6? What are 4 out of 6? There are 6 of them. Please do not put down casing, okay? Please do not put down casing. I'm going to pre-warn you. What are the 2 main ingredients in cure mix? 2 main ingredients in cure mix. 2 main ingredients in cure mix. Next, a definition of a farce. F-A-R-C-E, which is a force meat. Don't put down force meat. Definition of a farce or force meat. F-A-R-C-E. Farce or force meat? Farce in French, force meat in English. What is the definition of force meat? That's the first question I told you to write it down. Definition. Don't put down farce now. Farce is force meat in French. Next, what is testing of a force meat? In other words, what is the three things force meat testing do? Those are 3-point questions. What is testing of a force? Force meat. What are the two examples of how garnish may be included in force meat? There are three, but what are the two in Foundation 3? Huh? What are the two examples of garnish to be included in the force meat? Two. What are the two common forms of sausage? Two common forms. There are three. I'm just asking you for two. What are the two common forms of sausage? Think about breakfast. What are two types of casing used for sausage? What are the two types of casing used for sausage? Two types. There are two types. I'll give you example, S and N. That's not Saturday Night Live. Nate, listen to this question. A lot of my other students get some of this wrong. Name one type of sausage made in class on sausage day. What I meant is, if you make bratwurst or veal, that's bratwurst, what type of sausage it is? Write down bratwurst 543. You got it? Yes? If you make lamb, what type of sausage is that? I'm going to tell you. It's straight. If you make Italian, you write down Italian. What type of sausage is that? I'll tell you. Country. You got it? Country.
And you said veal is 543?
Veal is 543. You don't need to write everybody.
Oh.
Just write yours. If you make veal, what is it? If you make Italian, what is it? Don't write down country or straight. I need to know what type of sausage you're making, otherwise I don't know. You follow?
Yes, sir.
And the rest of them are the three diagrams. And by the way, we will grade this in class, so if you don't want to be embarrassed, study. Pre-warn you.
That's it?
That's it.
He says the diagram is like 40 questions.
So diagram, this is easy.
You got it?
So that,
Any questions?